Hello, and thanks for joining us. Today we will see a brief overview of OpManager and how it is useful to monitor and manage your network. OpManager is a complete web-based, agentless network and server monitoring software having advanced inbuilt fault and performance management functionality. OpManager automatically discovers and maps your network and the devices within. It helps you monitor and manage your network devices, interfaces, servers, and other IT infrastructure for its availability and performance. Lets you set performance benchmarks and alerts you when a fault is detected. And generates historical charts and reports for analyzing performance trends and capacity planning. Let's get to know more. OpManager discovers your network devices using SNMP, WMI, and CLI. A discovery visit makes the process quick and easy in a matter of minutes. It lists all the devices that can be imported to OpManager for monitoring. The discovered devices are grouped automatically under maps such as routers, switches, firewalls, servers, domain controllers, load balancers, etc. OpManager then immediately starts the monitoring process by associating monitors from predefined templates. You can also create your own monitoring templates and infrastructure groups. OpManager's web-based business view functionality lets you create different customized views of your infrastructure. Example, a geographical map view, a logical architecture view, or even a server rack view. These business views shows you the real status of the devices and interfaces, something like your live Visio diagram that lets you know what's happening in your network in a glimpse. Administrators spend a huge portion of their time in rightly configuring the monitoring and management solutions. To make this easy and quick, OpManager has tools such as Quick Configuration Visit, Bulk Configuration Views, Templates, etc. All these let you easily apply your corporate monitoring policy across a large number of devices. Coming on to the monitoring section. In addition to monitoring network device availability and performance of CPU, memory utilization, key buffer metrics, OpManager also monitors network links for their availability and performance in terms of error, discards, and bandwidth utilization. Leveraging Cisco's iOS management technologies such as IPSLA, NetFlow, NVAR, and CBQoS, OpManager gives you all-round visibility in your network's performance. By incorporating these advanced Cisco technologies, OpManager provides details on availability and latency of every single hop on the WAN link. If you have Cisco-based VoIP deployment, OpManager lets you know how your VoIP call paths are performing. Lets you know which user or application or protocol is occupying the bandwidth. OpManager also helps you manage the implemented QoS policies in your network to avoid network conditions. In addition to NetFlow, OpManager also supports SFlow, IPFix, JFlow, RFlow, and NetStream for in-depth traffic analysis. Apart from reasons related to network health and traffic, how many times you come across network jams because someone changed the configuration on the router? OpManager's NCM module helps you automate the network change and configurations on your network devices. You can schedule configuration backups, baseline a version change, do a side-by-side comparison between any device or version, and roll back to the trusted version in a single click if needed. This gets you in complete control of your network. For servers, OpManager monitors availability, CPU, memory, disk usage, processes, services, Windows services, files and folders, URLs, and Windows event logs. For Windows infrastructure, OpManager provides in-depth monitoring of Active Directory servers, Exchange servers, and Microsoft SQL servers. For each of these applications, OpManager monitors over 50 critical parameters out of the box. Also, these parameters comes with pre-configured industry practice threshold settings. You can start monitoring right away with these monitors and later tweak it to suit your requirement. For ESX VMware virtualized servers, OpManager has exclusive dashboards to tell you the utilization of CPU, memory, disk, storage, and traffic information for each guest instances. Additionally, OpManager lets you start, stop, or suspend even VM instances from the OpManager console. OpManager can pretty much monitor anything on your network: firewalls, load balancers, printers, wireless access points, and UPSs. A lot of flexibility is offered in the monitoring of device availability and health. For instance, you can monitor Windows servers using SNMP or Microsoft WMI protocol, monitor Linux or Solaris or HP Unix servers using SNMP or SSH or Telnet, and monitor other infrastructure devices using SNMP. One can set thresholds for all the monitored parameters and get alerted on overshot thresholds. Moving on to the very important module, fault and performance management. In addition to polling-based active performance monitoring, OpManager also supports rule-based syslog and SNMP traps processing. As soon as OpManager receives an SNMP trap or syslog, it alerts the administrator immediately with a complete log description. Depending upon the responsibilities and priorities, say a server administrator, network administrator, ID manager, or WAN manager, the information you need to see and to be alerted on will vary a great deal. OpManager has over 90 widgets to bring you the information you need onto the dashboard as soon as you log in. You can also group a set of dashboards, keep rotating them, and project it on a wall or to a plasma screen. Some of the favorite widgets include recent alarms, top interfaces with high utilization, top devices with high resource utilization, custom maps, a web portal, etc. It is obviously not possible to be in front of your computer always. OpManager has a number of ways to alert you on faults and to take remediation actions while you're away. As soon as a fault is detected, OpManager can send you an email or a text message to your mobile phone, or even alert you through RSS feeds and Twitter direct messages. If you're away from the NOC, you can connect to OpManager's user interface through your iPhone or BlackBerry or any other smartphones. On a triggered alarm, OpManager can be configured to execute an external script or patch for fault remediation, or even log a ticket to trouble ticketing software Service Desk Plus. Switching to reports. The importance of reports in making IT decisions can't be overstressed, be it from trend analysis or for capacity planning. OpManager provides in-depth network availability and performance reports that helps recognize problem areas and identify underutilized or well-utilized resources. You can schedule periodical reports to be automatically emailed to you. For example, a weekly report on WAN link availability and bandwidth utilization every Monday morning. In addition to all the features we saw, OpManager allows you to quickly see the overall availability of a whole business service as against measuring availability for each individual device. This is through the business views, which are customized map of logically connected devices that belongs to a particular business service. Example, ERP or CRM group. OpManager aggregates the availability information to tell you, for example, the availability of your ERP system as a whole for the last 30 days. This is not available in tools that just give you up or down monitoring for individual devices. Finally, OpManager integrates with other ManageEngine products such as Service Desk Plus, Firewall Analyzer, and Applications Manager. When your needs grow to implement an idle service desk, analyze firewall logs, or analyze in-depth application performance, you don't have to worry about researching and purchasing separate tools that don't talk to each other. With ManageEngine, you get integrated tools that work together to help you and your IT. Of course, what we saw right now is just an overview. OpManager has a lot more to offer. I encourage you to download the free 30-day trial and give it a try. If you need any help, feel free to email us at eval@manageengine.com or reach us directly at 888-720-9500. Thanks for your time.